Welcome to the AI Toolbox. Today we are discuss on top 5 AI tool and I have tested 50 plus tool already so you don't have to. So at number 1, we have ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you just have to log in with your email ID and you will be able to use the tool. We can use this tool in different ways, but here I am giving you a simple example. I asked ChatGPT to write a blog on AI and the applications of AI in the world. ChatGPT gave us a very advanced and clear blog, exceeding our expectations. As seen on the screen, it provided much more information than what we had asked for. Next on number 2 is Claude. Similar to ChatGPT, here you can use this tool after login using your email ID and Claude is useful for deep reasoning and summary. As seen on screen, I have asked for create a match summary. You can use this for free but they also the paid versions which has much more than the free version of Claude. At number 3 we have Perplexity. At number 3 we have Perplexity. Perplexity is free for Airtel post-paid users in India. It is providing us up-to-date information and also share the citations for integrity of the information. It has all pro versions of other AI tools. Basically, it is combination of multiple AI tools and I already told you that it is free for 1 year for Airtel post-paid users in India. It is initiated by Indian government. Next at number 4 is Gemini. Google Gemini is Google's advanced AI model and platform similar in nature to ChatGPT, built to help with things like answering questions and conversational tasks, writing blogs, emails, and code, creating images and videos, etc. It is started from 199 rupees per month and so on. At last but not least, number 5 is Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered coding platform and code editor that helps developers write, edit, debug, and complete code using artificial intelligence. It's designed to speed up software development by offering AI-powered code suggestions and completions, natural language code editing. Costing is LAN approx cost who it's for hobby, free, casual or first-time users. Pro $20 per more regular devs and coding with AI.